Hello guys, welcome to my video series to learn Redis with Python. In this video I'm going to show you something about the type command in Redis. So if you come here in the Redis CLI, so you can write, for example, if you had a key, for example A, you can use the type and get the type of the key here. So if you want to know something more, for example, if you use keys and star, you can see all the keys here, and with the type, for example, you can see the type of the key, Joe Max, for example. This is Z set. Okay, so let me show you in the Python. So at first I have to make the file Redis 04. So let me write some code, import Redis. In here I can use Redis1 equal to Redis host equal to 127.001, and another parameter with port equal to 6379, and db is 0. Okay, so if I write Redis that this one dot type, I can get the type of the key. For example, A, I can use print here, and if I run this code, as you can see here, the type is a string. So let me get all the keys and the type of the key for row in Redis1.keys with the pattern. So star, here I have to use print because I want to know about the type or let me show you at first the name of the keys, then we will see the type of the every key. So I run it. As you can see here, all the keys is listed here in this window. So let me write something here. For example, string row key. I can change this one to keys better because they are the keys. And here I have to use Redis1.type to get the type. So let me show you this one, and if I run this code, oh, something wrong because of this. Maybe I have to use Esther to change the type of and here maybe I have to use star because I want to change it to string. So here, as you can see, so let me change here equal and here type. So if I run this code, you can see here the key here and the type is here. For example, geomean is z set, or evi-o is string, and other keys. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye.